Hi, I'm Kuba, and today we'll go beyond classical physics and explore quantum computers. Currently, there are many supercomputing centers where we can run complicated simulations. However, there are still problems that are beyond the capabilities of classical computers, which can be addressed by a quantum computer. Because of its nature, the areas like quantum chemistry or materials science are good candidates. The materials modeling and simulations are really important to understand the physical properties like electronic band structure or system stability. For example, graphene band structure calculated using density functional theory and PySCF package can explain its physical properties. OpenFermion is a library which can help to perform calculations on the quantum computers. Let's start by defining the structure. For simplicity, we'll use the hydrogen molecule. OpenFermion PySCF plugin will help us to find good initial state for quantum simulation. In this case, optimal bond length of the hydrogen molecule. Now we want to translate our system into form readable by quantum computer that operates on qubits. Using OpenFermion, we can compile it to the quantum circuit. Finally, we can use Circuit and Cirq library to simulate calculations or perform them on the real quantum computer. You can use Docker image to start playing with quantum calculations immediately. That's all for today. Please subscribe and check my blog. Thanks for watching. Bye.